If you want to close your Uber Eats account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is properly deactivated. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Find the Delete Account option. Scroll through the account settings until you find the option that says Privacy or Account Management. Look for the Delete Account or Close Account option. Step 4. Follow the prompt. Once you select the Delete Account option, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been deactivated. Once you have completed these steps, your Uber Eats account will be closed. If you change your mind, remember that you may not be able to recover your account or any associated data.